Have you ever heard a Yoruba proverb? Ààyè la jogún ọ̀rẹ́, béèyàn bá kú tán, ọ̀rẹ́ ò wúlò mọ́. This proverb has something big inside. Like it contains a lot of things inside that we have to associate. Firstly, what is the meaning of ààyè la jogún ọ̀rẹ́, bí èèyàn bá kú tán, ọ̀rẹ́ ò wúlò mọ́? Literal meaning that when you are alive, that is when you can benefit from a friend. So when you are dead, when the demise comes, that means the friendship has no meaning again. That means a friendship that you claim that you are with someone, like in a relationship of friendship, where it has meaning, when you have benefited or you are benefiting from it, that is a good friend. But a friendship where you have nothing to benefit, it is better to cut it off before your demise. Ààyè la jogún ọ̀rẹ́, béèyàn bá kú tán, ọ̀rẹ́ ò wúlò mọ́. This is a very big word. It's a very, very big proverb. This proverb is sending us a warning, and it is giving us what to do when you are in a friendship with someone. So a friendship where you have no gain, a friendship where there is nothing to proud of, a friendship where they are telling you or they are teaching you bad thing. It is better for you to cut it off. A friendship where you need help and they cannot provide for you, that type of friends, you have to cut it off. So it won't hurt you when you are alive, not to talk of when you have died. So before your demise comes, you need to correct some things. A friend that you know is bad to you when you are alive won't do anything good when you died. So Yoruba people have brain. They said, ààyè la jogún ọ̀rẹ́, béèyàn bá kú tán, ọ̀rẹ́ ò wúlò mọ́. Ọ̀rẹ́ tó ní tí ò ṣàǹfààní kankan fún ẹ, kò láǹfààní nígbà tó bá ti kú. Àbí ọ̀rẹ́ tó sọ pé o ní nígbà tó wà láyé tí ẹ ò jọ kí ń sọ̀rọ̀ tàbí kẹ́ ẹ̀ jọ kí ń fúnra yín ní ìmọ̀ràn tó wá kú tán tó wá ń pariwo irú ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹkún irọ́ ló ń sun. That type of friends is not a friend. He is a friend-nimi. 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 Ọ̀rẹ́ tó fojú jọ, ọ̀tá tó fojú jọ ọ̀rẹ́ nírú ẹni bẹ́ẹ̀. Thank you.